What you're looking at in this picture is a tile that is in my classroom. As you can see with the rulers, each tile measures 12 inches by 12 inches or 1 foot by 1 foot. We often use these tiles to measure different shapes in the classroom. In this video, we'll be specifically looking at the area and the perimeter of rectangles. The area of a shape is the number of square units needed to cover that surface. If you think of one single tile, a 1 foot by 1 foot square would cover what we say is 1 square foot. We'll use this to measure many other shapes in this video. The other thing we'll measure is the perimeter. A shape's perimeter is the distance around that shape. So if we go back to our one single tile, this tile is 1 foot by 1 foot by 1 foot by 1 foot for a total perimeter of 4 feet, because 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 4. In the classroom, I'll often use the example of an insect, such as this ant, walking around the shape. So if this ant were to go all the way around the square, it would walk 1 foot and another foot and another foot and another foot. So the ant walked a total of 4 feet around that square. Now we're looking at two tiles right next to each other. If we draw the rectangle that's taken up by those two tiles, it takes 1 square foot and another square foot for a total area of 2 square feet. If we want to find the perimeter, we would add the 2 feet plus 1 foot plus 2 feet plus another foot for a total perimeter of 6 feet. If we bring our ant back into the picture and watch him walk around the shape, there's 2 feet plus 1 foot plus 2 feet plus another foot. The ant walked a total of 6 feet around that rectangle. Sometimes our shape won't take up an entire square foot. In this case, the rectangle is taking up half of the tile. So we would say the area is half of a square foot. We can still find the perimeter. In this case, we'll add up the 1 foot plus the half foot side plus 1 foot plus a half foot for a total perimeter of 3 feet. Here's our ant again. He's walking a foot plus a half of a foot plus a foot plus another half. The ant walked a total of 3 feet around that rectangle. Let's do one more. Can you guess how much of a tile is covered by this square? The area of this square is 1/4 or 1/4 of a square foot, because it is taking up 1/4 or 1/4 of that 1 square foot tile. The perimeter of this shape will be half of a foot plus another half plus another half plus another half for a total perimeter of 2 feet. Let's bring our ant back into the picture. Last time, ant. Half plus a half plus a half plus a half. The ant walked a total of 2 feet around that square.